Hey everybody, Chris here. Dogecoin's ready for its next move up. We're going to talk about that in this video. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit that little notification bell too. You can be notified when new videos come out, as well as when I do live streams. We've been watching the Cronos token go off for the past day and a half, 2 days. Crazy returns. That is what Dogecoin has in store as well. When FOMO kicks in on Doge and Doge takes off, that's the kind of returns we're going to see. That is coming. Let's get into it. Let me show you the charts in the news. I'll show you what I'm looking at. And we'll start here looking at the current Dogecoin chart, 22.34. Yes, we're over 22 cents. We zoom out and we see the recovery that Doge has had since Monday's dip on Monday evening, and a recovery back from 20.8 right through the 21s, and now we're in the 22s, coming back higher. Bitcoin right now, right around 113,000. We'll see Bitcoin reach that 114 mark, and we will be back. ETH trying to get over this 4,600 line here. Having a little difficulty this morning using that as resistance right now. But right now, all eyes are on Crow. Look at the big move Crow has made here. I mean, this from, God, if we measure this since Monday, right? The Crow move is now 135%. So that is that's the kind of move that Dogecoin is capable of, and we will be watching for, I believe, this fall. So not get ahead of ourselves. I'm not saying this is going to happen now, but this will be soon. Also, I will be doing my September Dogecoin price prediction video this weekend, so watch for that, because I still think there's going to be a dip that happens. Usually the first week of September, we do have some kind of dip in store. So for those who've got a little dry powder, a little extra money, maybe they're getting a paycheck at the end of the month or something like that, watch for the dips always. I'm not saying it's guaranteed 100%, but if history repeats, we have seen that kind of thing before. Cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Polkadot, Dogecoin. Let's talk about Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin Asia is going on in Hong Kong, and Bitcoin is doing a nice recovery right now. Everything else is outperforming Bitcoin still, and we do see, as we go back, we do see Bitcoin dominance still right around 58. So it did get into the 57s barely here yesterday, but still down quite a bit from 60 where it was. That would have been a week ago. So Bitcoin dominance is moving down as we go back to the chart here. So we'll look at Doge. The dog-based meme coins, Doge and Sheeb, rebound. Bullish sentiment is creeping back in. I don't know why they always lump the Sheeb with Doge, because they're two different things, and Doge has been consistently outperforming Sheeb just about all year long. But I guess it's easy for them just to talk about dog-based meme coins when they're nothing the same at all. But I get it, right? CoinGlass data indicates bullish outlook. Positive spike in funding rate data, and so that's for Dogecoin. And they lump Sheeb in there, and I don't know why Sheeb has not rallied sharply. Sheeb is a laggard, while Doge is the one that has been rallying. We've got Cronos though. That's been great. Yeah, the bullish run fueled by Trump media's plan to create a Crow treasury company. That's all very bullish. That's the type of catalyst, right? That's the exact type of thing that's going to happen with Doge when Doge gets its huge news. I mean, this is big. And we knew something was coming as Chris, the leader of Crypto.com, was meeting with Trump, and there was something going on, and this is it. So can Crow get up to 50 cents from here? Probably. Again, that's a level that I was previously looking at already in the charts as looking at possible profit-taking line for Crow. So that is a huge move up for Crow. Others will be doing that coming forward. But Dogecoin, Pepe, Pudgy Penguins, are they awaiting Bitcoin's next move? Right now, as we see a rotation into alt season. I mean, alt season is really starting right now. We're not full-blown alt season, but it is starting, and we do see like ETH making the move, and then you're going to see the alts. Crow is just one sample of more. But what's going to happen with things like Pepe and Pengu? And so Doge is in an uptrend. We've been looking at this triangle here. Ali's been looking at it too. And that rising support line has been pretty strong. Dipped just below it here the other day, but we're back in. So that's still looking strong. Doge still the undisputed leader of meme coins. Considering we are arguably approaching the final stage of this bull market, the price action is relatively uninspiring. And I get that. And I see the frustration compared to what other things. Why isn't Doge running like Crow? Well, still waiting for that big news for Doge, right? Crow just had it. Doges will be coming. That said, compared with most of the other meme coins or meme tokens, Doge is at least maintaining an uptrend. So we also have the RSI turning around too. That's one thing that we're looking at as well, is the stochastic RSI is coming back up. Pepe, though, lost its support. Pepe dropped down, so that's not great. And Pengu, although, I mean, Pengu went on this huge run, right? An astonishing 500% climb through June and into July for Pengu. And it is just kind of pulling down. Now, this could be a bull flag, or it could just be losing its momentum, as a lot of meme tokens do after a big run. So we'll continue to watch that on Pengu. But again, Pengu has this worldwide acceptance that transcends what a lot of other meme tokens are doing. So I still think Pengu has another big run in it. Pepe most likely will have some sort of run, probably not anything like we saw in 2024. And then there's Doge, and waiting for its big run. So Bitcoin, I mean, you zoom out and you could say there's a head and a shoulder and a shoulder, and we've come back over the neckline and come back and retested it. So that's kind of this classic kind of pattern that could be for Bitcoin. And then we could target $150,000 or more per Bitcoin on that move. If you take the line from the head to the neck and you bring it up, so from the head to the neck, you get that line, you get to $150,000 of Bitcoin. That would be what the chart would say. Meanwhile, we've got alt season, again, taking a little breather here on the past couple days from the bigger run. So we saw Bitcoin dominance going down, coming to 57 and then up to 58. So alt season then goes down a little tick, but the overall trend from June is still up toward the true altcoin season, which is coming. Dogecoin, meanwhile, whales have been accumulating, buying on the dips, right? It's not just you and me, but others, right? And whales accumulating, buying on the dips. Analysts highlight 20.12 support level as critical for Doge's next potential bullish breakout. Again, I was looking at 20.99, right? Just below that 21-cent line on a possible dip maybe next week. Meanwhile, Doge derivatives exhibit steady growth, trading volume increasing by 14%. Open interest is rising up again just a little bit, but that's just because so much of that leverage got wiped out. They're slowly coming back in, but cautiously, because I think they think there might be a dip too. Trader Allen, look, this is a bull flag here for Doge on the 4-hour chart. So coming out of the dip that we had here down in the 20s, rises back up, and now we're kind of bouncing around. Consolidation here could be a true bull flag, and that next move up will be to 24 cents. So that is coming in the shorter term. And then we zoom out and we look at the 4-year cycles again, which again, I covered. Yesterday's video is all about 4-year cycles, but here we are again. We've had these explosive runs the past 2 cycles, and we really haven't had that for Dogecoin yet. Could Doge have a Cronos type move in it coming? That's what we're waiting to see. That's what we're waiting for. Meanwhile, Dogecoin to proof of stake. Covered this a little bit yesterday just to let you guys know that there's this thing going on with Doge, and Billy Marcus, as we showed on the live stream yesterday. I think the chatter about changing the consensus algorithm of Dogecoin from proof of work to proof of stake is annoying. All it would do is fracture the community, cause a fork, resulting in multiple Dogecoins. The chaos isn't worth it. So that's Billy's point of view. And then we looked at Tim Stebbings' response, and Tim from Dogecoin Foundation, associated with House of Doge. I get it. He's trying to make a faster Dogecoin, transactions per second, trying to get them as max as he can for huge numbers of transactions that could come into Dogecoin, and how best to solve that. So I get what he's trying to do. There's still a lot of questions about the foundation in the past. A lot of people are on X like dredging up old things from the past, even about me, and I'm just like trying to do only good every day, trying to move forward, but some people still want to live in the past. They should get over it, move on. We're all moving forward. We want the best for Dogecoin, cryptocurrency, the Doge community. As Doge Empire X says, too many are whining about what or how certain groups are building out the Doge ecosystem. You should focus your energy on supporting the growth of the ecosystem. The opportunity is now. It's Doge time. Stay focused, do good, and woof. I think that's awesome. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think about this coming move for Dogecoin? Are you ready? Give the video a like, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate the support. We'll see you next time.